I can read in English, I can write English, I can understand English when somebody speaks, but I can't speak in English. If this is also a problem, this video is only and only for you, my friend. I used to be like the same, okay? I could read English, I could write English, but I couldn't speak. Let's understand that was the main problem. We can understand English, we can understand each and every word, but why when it comes to speak in English we get hesitate, we can't speak in English? Why? What's the problem over here? So I just want to give you one example so you will understand better. Suppose you want to learn swimming or any other thing, what you want to learn. So if you observe swimmers and if you watch swimming on TV, if you consult from those people who are very well in swimming, and if you go to the river and observe people, observe swimmer, so after doing all these things, would you able to swim? Would you? No, you wouldn't. Why? Because you didn't do any practice yet. This is the main problem, I guess, what we all face. This is the main mistake what we all do, I guess. We just watch lots of YouTube videos in English, we just read a lot, we just write also, we take lots of input on our head, but when it comes to deliver output, the ratio is very low. Really, we read 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, we watch YouTube videos half an hour, 1 hour, but when it comes to speak, we just speak 5 minutes in a day, 10 minutes in a day, not more than that. This is the problem, what this is the biggest mistake what you are doing right now. You should do opposite of it. You should speak at least half an hour, 1 hour, even though you are reading 5 minutes, 6 minutes, and 10 you are, even though you are watching YouTube videos 10 minutes, but you have to speak at least half an hour and more than that, and that is how you will learn this language. Don't be like that person who wanted to learn swimming, but he was just observing people, he was just reading books on swimming without practicing. Think about that person for a second. If that person will continue observe people, observe swimmers, and watch TV shows about swimming, read books for a long period of time, for 1 year, if that person will continue all these things, so after 1 year, will this person able to swim? No, this person will not able to swim, because this person didn't do any practice. And this is what happening with you right now. You are just reading, writing, listening, but you are not speaking right now. And this is the biggest mistake what you are doing, and this is the biggest hindrance what's coming on your path of speaking English. Okay, so whatever the vocabularies you have, whatever the grammar rules you have, just start speaking. I also get comments many times that I have less vocabulary, I am very confused, I don't know the grammar rules, complex grammar rules, because I guess basic grammar rules everybody knows. And if you don't like me, like I also didn't, I was also not very good in grammar rules, so you can learn those basic grammar rules at starting. And please start speaking whatever the words you have in your mind, whatever the grammar rules you have in your mind, just start with this. Don't wait for a right moment, perfect moment to arrive, so that you will do you will speak with people in that perfect moment. That perfect moment will not arrive. Seriously, don't wait for a specific moment. Start from now, and you will see after that that the changes in yourself, how changed you are. uh, there are lots of people who also feel fear for committing mistakes. They think that if I would commit mistake in front of people, so what would people think about me? People will humiliate me, Of course they will laugh on you, not in front of you, but at the back of you, maybe maybe they will not. But think about these things, that just because of those people, would you stop your uh, practice? You cannot. You can't stop your practice. You need this thing. Maybe you need for your interview. You are learning this language for going outside from the India. Maybe there are lots of things to do, and this is the skill what you need to learn right now. You know what, when I make videos, so I also do mistakes, seriously, and I also get comments that ma'am, you did mistake here. But now I realize this thing, that I am learning this language, and if I'm learning something, I would do mistakes, and this is the sign that I'm learning anything. If you are not committing mistakes while learning anything, you are not learning something new, seriously. If I'm committing mistakes, that means I'm learning. And at starting level, you will commit a lot of mistakes, lots of mistakes. So please don't afraid of making mistakes. You will make mistakes, and that is how everybody learns, and you will learn. Okay, so you are a beginner, so why you just get afraid by doing mistakes? Do mistakes as much as you can, and you will learn from that mistakes with the time. Okay, don't just take too much burden on yourself. We learn a lot, we just take too much burden on ourselves, we just overwhelm ourselves by overthinking, and then we leave the things. Don't do this. Don't take lots of inputs. Don't overwhelm yourself by reading, writing, and filling your mind with lots of things. Don't do this. Try to uh, produce the things, try to deliver the output in the same proportion. Okay, because we read, write, watch a lot, but when it comes to speak, we don't. The proportion is very less, seriously. So speak more, and read less, watch less videos, but speak more. Please speak 30 minutes and more than that in a day, and after few months, after 2 and 3 months, you will see the great change in yourself. You will see the great change in your fluency. You will be fluent, seriously. I'm giving you the I'm assuring you. And if you don't have anybody, if you don't have environment, just create that environment. I also didn't have anybody at starting. Right now I also don't have anybody. So what I used to do, I used to speak in front of the mirror, I used to record my videos, uh, and that is how I have learned this language. Whatever you are watching me in this video, this is the result of practice in front of mirror. This is the result of recording the videos, and that is how I have learned this language. I have attained this level of fluency. Although I'm not that much fluent, I also understand this thing. I am working a lot on a daily basis. But whatever you are watching me right now, this is the result of practice. I didn't have anybody, but I have practiced, and right now I also practice at least for 1 hour, 2 hours on a daily basis. I speak rather than just reading books, watching YouTube videos. I speak a lot, and that is how I am learning. So speak a lot rather than just reading, writing, and listening, because speaking will help you. So don't wait for the perfect moment to arrive. Create that perfect moment. Be determined in yourself that you have to do. You have to learn this language within 3 months, within 6 months. You have to learn this language. Be determined, and you can. Even though you don't have anybody, even you can learn this language. You can speak this language. There are lots of applications available. There are lots of people I have seen that they learn this language like this. They don't join any coaching class, any institute, but still they're speaking very well, very, very well. And I'm also one of them. So I'm not telling that I'm speaking very well, but I didn't also join any spoken class. I also don't have anybody, but I can speak, I can convey my thoughts to the other one in this language. And if I can do it, you can also, because I'm also from the same middle class background. I also went to the government school, then government college, yeah, where nobody speaks in English. So if I can do this thing, you can also. Just believe on yourself, and your belief will take you to the next level. Seriously, just believe on yourself and start learning, start speaking in this language, and you will see the drastic change in yourself. If you got some value from this video, please like, subscribe and share. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.